So yeah, let's get to cleaning the driver's side. I've got some questions. Were there spacers here? Are these the new spacers? Because they're like nylon block. So I don't think these are factory. Might be spacers. We'll have to look at that. Alright. That's after the first quick sweep cleaning. I had to get the shop back in here, get some of this crazier stuff up. A lot of saturation to be done to pull this stuff up. But yeah, we're getting there. Got the carpet saturating. I'm gonna try to pull up all these stains. I think we'll have some pretty good success based on my past experience. This just looks like typical mud and grime. But a lot of this is down here. And I realized instead of just trying to jam the vacuum in here, trying to get all that out, yeah, let's just remove these as well. Piece to something and some free screws. Nice. So I guess that's gonna come out. Yeah. Set you down. Watch my failures. Oh, that is rusty. Rusty. Alright, I need some like Rust-Oleum and stuff. Just those two, maybe? And none in the back? There's gotta be something in the back. I bet they're under that drawer or something. They are. I can feel them. Alright, how do we get Mr. Drawer out? Let's see you here. Well, you know what? It splits here. Maybe you're gonna undo it and then split it. More beans. Remember the beans from earlier? You probably don't. But anyways, in one of my videos, there was beans. Here's more beans. Maybe they're magic beans. Who wants some magic beans? Ooh, and a quarter. In 1996. That's 2 years for this truck. Vacuum all that. Alright, we gotta go after these rusty bolts. Get out of the way, magic beans. So the plan is rusty bolts. So here's a plastic clip here. Maybe this will split and slide open. I don't know. Because these plastic tabs just hit there. You have to split the case open, but I don't know. We will find out. Hidden stash? Yeah, like, why is that there? You're hiding your stash. Stash hiders. And the cup holder actually was included. I took it out to glue it back together. Where'd I put it? Let's go find it. As you can see, it had a superior duct tape fixing. I'm going to do a less superior gluing fix and go that back in there. So anyways, I'm going to continue to try to remove this. Cup holders. Boop, 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 boop. Number 2. Take my light out. Close that. Looked like it was a hook. It was a hook, I think. Forward, yes. Yes. There you have it. Sure, you could have Googled that. You could have went on the internet. But we're looking at 1-2 bolts, a hook in the back. Console re-freaking moved. Whoo, dirty. The rust. The rust. The rust hurts me. Hurts my soul. I'm a dry climate kind of guy. We deal with surface rust. Seeing this makes me cry. All honesty, if I was a up northern kind of guy, I don't think I'd be a car guy. It'd just kill me. Oh, look, free holster. It's probably been this whole time and I just now found it. What's that? The snake, it bit me. Is there a snake in here? Cool. Cleaning continues. Probably gonna go in for the actual cleaning. Just want to get a little smooth transition. Of the B4. Oh look, free candy. Ooh, piece of candy. And, yeah. Let's clean her up. Wait, was I recording earlier? I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna vacuum. That's my insurance. Enjoy the noise!